Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove your Temu account. Open Temu website on your computer. Make sure to log into your account. Click on your profile shown at the top of the website. Now go to your profile by clicking on your profile option. You can view your profile information here. Click on the account security option provided on the left side. Scroll down and you will get the option to delete your Temu account. Confirm by enabling the option, I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Then, click on Continue and select the reason to delete your account. Click on Continue and then hit Continue Deleting. It will again ask you about your surety to delete your account. You have to verify your identity by choosing any option. You can use an email verification code to verify your identity or use the password to verify your identity. Select any of the options and enter the verification code. Confirm it and now your Temu account has been deleted. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.